G'day, my name's Christian and I am the creator of the Wild Brisbane blog you may be familiar with on Facebook and on the internet. Today I am up in the beautiful Maroochy River in the Yandina Reach, and I thought I would actually show you what's here rather than just write about it. As my 19-year-old niece recently told me, Uncle Christian, nobody writes blogs anymore, it's all about the video blog. So here we are. My main purpose today was to check out the native fish, but there's plenty of other beautiful things to see. I'll show you them. First up is a bird that is here for the same reason I am, to find fish. It's an azure kingfisher, and of all of our local kingfisher species, it's the one who most lives up to the name. It feeds exclusively on aquatic creatures such as yabbies and fish, so it likes to live along waterways that are nice and clear where it can spot them easily. As you can see, the Maroochy River fits the bill rather nicely. So this here is my underwater camera. It's a Canon D20, and it takes great photos. I've had it for many years and it works best in clear water up close. The current profile pic on Wild Brisbane's Facebook page of the two yellowfin bream was taken by this camera in the Gold Coast Broadwater. Today I'm going to set it down in the water here and see what swims up to it. Fish are often attracted to the bright colour, as they are quite curious creatures, I've learnt over the years, quite fearless and inquisitive. So we'll see what turns up. These are native fish called gudgeons, and the Maroochy River is home to quite a few similar species of them. I wanted to know exactly which one I was looking at, so I caught a few for a closer look. It turns out that they are empire gudgeons, so named because the male turns a brilliant red, white and blue during the breeding season. And evidently this reminded someone of Great Britain's national colours. You can see some of this colouring just starting to develop on the fins of these fellas. These fish try to keep out of sight from predators like the kingfisher by sticking closely to the water lilies and aquatic plants. There's another fish in this river that has taken the concept of camouflage and invisibility to the next level though. It's essentially see-through. It's called the Agassiz glassfish. Here you can see not only its backbone, but its heart and other organs as well. An amazing little creature. The trees lining the river pools where these fish live are weeping lillypillies. These rainforest beauties overhang the river and regulate the amount of light and heat it receives, helping to keep conditions stable for the water animals. They also provide great riverbank habitat for birds and animals on the land. And during my visit I found white-headed pigeons, green catbirds and rainbow bee-eaters in them. Brisbane City Council often uses this species as a street tree. It can be recognised even when it's not in fruit by its wavy leaves that are arranged opposite one another.
Personally, I'm very fond of them because they create the perfect spot beside the riverbank to just chill and relax.
Well, that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed a look at the Maroochy River, both above and below, and I'll see you again sometime in Wild Brisbane.